Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to turn on Microsoft games. Microsoft games are games which are by default installed in Windows computer. Sometimes you might not see them because they are turned off. This is how you can see if they are turned off and turn them on. First click on the Start menu to find the search box. Next type in Control Panel and click on it once you found it. The next thing to do is to locate where it's written Programs and click on it. Search where it's written Turn Windows Features on or off and click on it. You should see a bunch of Windows features that are turned on or off. All you have to do is to locate where it's written Games and check in its box to allow its visibility. This might take a while. Wait for like 5 to 20 seconds for allowing Windows to make changes. Return on the Start menu and type in the search box, Games and click on Games Explorer. You should be able to see your Microsoft games. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.